The journey of fresh pomegranate juice begins in the orchards, where ripe fruits are carefully harvested.
Pomegranates, a fruit known for its rich color, refreshing taste, and powerful health benefits.
After harvesting, the pomegranates are transported quickly to the juice processing factory.
Here, modern technology meets nature to transform fresh pomegranates into high-quality juice. Each pomegranate is carefully inspected to remove damaged or spoiled fruits.
Only high-quality pomegranates continue through the production line.
The pomegranates are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, dust, and surface impurities. In this factory, the pomegranates are gently crushed to release their juice.
Inside each pomegranates are hundreds of juicy arils, rich in flavor and nutrients.
The crushed pomegranates are pressed using powerful machines to extract the juice.
Fresh pomegranate juice flows into stainless steel collection tanks.
Check the flow rate again. It's stabilizing now. We are good to go.
Solid parts like peels and seeds are separated from the liquid pomegranate juice. The pomegranate juicer is filtered to remove remaining particles. The pomegranate juice is filtered to remove remaining particles and achieve the desired clarity. Depending on the product, the pomegranate juice may be clear or naturally cloudy.
To ensure safety and longer shelf life, the pomegranate juice is gently pasteurized.
After pasteurization, the pomegranate juice is quickly cooled to maintain freshness.
Quality control tests check acidity, sweetness, pomegranate's color, and safety.
Only pomegranate's juice that meets strict standards is approved for packaging.
Here, the bottles are checked for leaks in the pressure testing chambers, an essential step to ensure quality control.
The approved pomegranates juice is filled into bottles under hygienic conditions.
Each bottle is securely sealed to preserve pomegranate's freshness. Check the antioxidant levels on the analyzer.
The phenolic compounds are testing very high on this sample.
Check valve 4. Is the flow rate steady?
Flow rate steady. Pressure holding at 40 psi.
A final inspection ensures perfect packaging and presentation. The airflow meters confirm optimal pressure for the pomegranate juice bottles.
Readings look good. We are clear to maintain current velocity.
The high-speed labeling machines ensure every bottle of pomegranate juice is perfectly wrapped, subject to meticulous.
Every bottle of pomegranate juice is coded and verified by our team to ensure the highest quality standards are met.
The airflow meters confirm optimal pressure for the pomegranate juice bottles.
Readings look good. We are clear to maintain current velocity.
This is the future of beverage production. Precision engineering delivering the finest pomegranate juice, ready for the world market.
Fill levels are consistently hitting the target volume, maintaining current speed.
Labels are added with pomegranate's juice details and expiration dates.
Inventory levels in aisle 4 look low based on the drone feed.
Confirmed. I'll flag it for restock immediately.
The finished pomegranate's juice bottles are packed and prepared for shipment.
Keep coming back, you're clear. Bring it down slowly. Okay, pull out. All clear.
The pomegranate's juice is stored under controlled conditions before distribution.
Check the tension on Unit 7. Looks secure. Good wrap integrity.
All seals verified on the East Bay line.
Copy that. Clearance granted for departure.
From the factory, the pomegranate's juice is delivered to stores around the world.